Hello everyone, so today I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on your iPhone 14. So first of all, you're to take your iPhone 14 and look at it left side. So here you can find this little switch which is toggling between modes. Alright, so to enable a silent mode, make sure to toggle the switch to see this a little bit of a red color. So simply toggle it to the left side. Let me show it to you again on the screen. So as you see, it opened up our silent mode. In silent mode icon once again will appear on the screen and all the calls notifications will be muted. So if you want to turn it off, simply turn it off by placing the switch again to its position. Alright, if you want to customize haptic feedback, vibrations in silent mode, you're to open up your settings. Now in your settings, you're to scroll down to your sound and haptics tab. Choose it. Here find your haptics option. Choose it as well. And here you are to find play in silent mode or don't play in silent mode. It's up to you. So choose play in silent mode. And now you will have your haptics all of the time. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.